Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have shared some amazing benefits of vitamin E capsules and how to use them in your everyday skincare and hair care routine. What is their benefit? And I am using Evion 400 mg vitamin E capsule, 10 capsules for 29 rupees. It is available in any pharmacy. Very cheap, right? But vitamin E is rich in antioxidant. It helps to get even skin tone and makes our skin clear, also helps to maintain our skin healthy and glowing. It also has some benefits which I'll be discussing, and also it is great for your hair. Now without any further blabbering, let's get into the video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my further videos. Now let's get started. So the first benefit of vitamin E capsule, it can be used as a night cream. At night time, our skin repairs itself and produce more collagen, and blood circulation increases so that our skin restores all the skin damage. So it's very important to maintain a good skincare routine at night and to use a good night cream to maintain younger looking clear skin. So for this cream you will need aloe vera gel. I'm using Cardi Naturals aloe vera gel. Use a gel that is transparent, less chemical, less fragrance and parabens. Take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and add 1 vitamin capsule in it. So this one is this Cardi Natural aloe vera gel has fragrance. Actually it's transparent but it has fragrance, so I'm using this, but if you can get something that is very less chemical, use it. So take a clean container and add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and now break open the vitamin E capsule and add the oil from the capsule to this aloe vera gel and mix it very well so that it forms a creamy texture. And I make a small batch. This will last for a week, and next week I'll make another new batch. Also, if you have acne skin, you can also add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree essential oil, or you can add cinnamon or clove essential oil, which is very good for acne, and you can apply that. So this is how the cream looks. And after washing your face and removing all the makeup and toning, apply this cream in tapping motion so that it helps to repair your skin and get rid of any acne scars. To be honest, this cream is better than many costly creams available in the market. So give this a try and let me know how it works for you. And now let's move on to our second benefit of vitamin E capsule. This also includes in your nighttime routine. This is for your dark circles. I know dark circle is normal, but sometimes we get it because of over stressing of our eyes, and for this you will need almond oil. I don't have that pure almond oil, so I'm using this Good Vibes almond oil, which is for our skin. And you can use any pure cold press almond oil, and take like 3 to 4 drops of almond oil and add 2 to 3 drops of vitamin E capsule in it. Mix it very well and apply it under your eyes. You can make a bigger batch of it and store it in a container, but I like to make it now and then and use it. And what does it do is that it helps to get rid of your dark circle under your eyes, and it helps to prevent wrinkles, and it is nice and moisturizing. So during your nighttime, use this, and also make sure that you dab it under your eyes and very gently massage it, don't pull. And after you did this, if you have extra in your hand, you can also pat this on your face. I usually does that, and I have used almond oil and vitamin E capsule, so I don't want to waste the extra. I just use it on my cuticles. It is also good for moisturizing your cuticles and to have a longer strengthy nails. And also the excess I dab it on my face. You can do anything that you like. It has multi-purpose to use. And a third benefit of vitamin E capsule is for our eyebrows and for our lashes. To get thicker eyebrows and to grow longer lashes, I have a tip where you need castor oil, coconut oil, and 2 vitamin E capsule, and I've already shared the recipe on my Instagram. If you're not following there, please go follow there. I've shared how I prepare and how I use it. Go check it out, and it really works. And now coming to the fourth benefit of vitamin E capsule is for our hair, to make our hair grow longer, stronger, and makes it look shiny and silky. And this is the remedy that I follow. That you will need castor oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E capsule. Yes, the same concoction which we prepare for our eyebrows and eyelashes, the same. Massage your scalp and do it once in a week. You will get long and strong hair. And now coming to the fifth tip is to actually take your vitamin E capsule supplement internally. But before that, consult your physician. And I take it. I have no side effect. It's for your overall health, to maintain a good skin and to maintain a good hair. It's good for your overall health. But before that, consult your physician. And that's it. These are the 5 amazing tips that I want to share about vitamin E capsule. If you like it, give it a like, click on the thumb button below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Love you all. Take care. Be safe.